Hello, good evening. I'm discussing about nanotechnology in nature. Nature is a source of inspiration for the discovery of many scientific phenomena. For example, concept of harvesting the solar energy via solar cells actually started once scientists to know that the light is used to form a charge-separated molecules with quantum efficiency close to 100% in photosynthesis process. There are many nanoscopic structures in nature that are used to execute important functions with almost 100% perfections. For example, there are many cell organelles having the nanoscopic dimension and optimized for specific functions. The light reaction of photosynthesis that occurs due to involvement of many pigments containing the protein embedded in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast is one of the complicated but efficient process in the nature and is responsible to done overall food processing photosynthesis. The ability of gecko to walk in the ceiling against the gravity is due to presence of micro nanostructured seta having the spatula or cup-like structures at the tip present underneath its feet. Web spinning spider can make that can make the wave very efficiently using self-prepared nanometric fibers. These fibers are resistant to rain, wind, and sunlight and known to be one of the strongest fibers in nature. Water striders is able to walk on the water very efficiently without waiting due to presence of hair-like spikes decorated with the helical nanogrooves present underneath its foot. Such observation has inspired scientists to design water-repellent materials. Water and dust particles do not stick to the lotus leaf due to presence of nanospire present on its surface. So, an inspiration to scientists in designing self-dust cleaning and water-repellent type of materials. Sensory systems of living species in another paradigm of nature that is inspiring the scientists to design highly efficient sensors. Natural DNA or nanometric materials stores biological information of organism are very efficient that is inspiring scientists to design new class of data storage system. Okay, it's all about nanotechnology in nature. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your patience. It is now. Bye bye. See you again.